It literally explains, like, it explains everything. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. All right, shit, don't ask me shit. It happened so fast. What the hell was I saying? Y'all, this is how my nails came out. Yeah. Hey guys, first, okay. So first I need to go to Target. I need to go to the car wash, and I need to go to the bank too. And there was somewhere else I need to go. I might stop at Starbucks first though. Car wash isn't really necessary right now, but I do need to go to Target because I want to put on my clip-on nails and I don't have any nail glue. So that's the only reason why I'm going to Target this time. But I'm thinking if I want to get my bathroom rugs and stuff and towels right now. I threw my green ones away. It's just time for new ones. Also towels too, and I also need just some hygiene stuff like deodorant, toothpaste, and things like that. But I don't know if I'm gonna get this time around. This Starbucks ain't crowded, so let me find out. They ain't got shit. Why would somebody just put a bottle in a drive-thru lane? Like, so dumb. Anyways, well, I sound sick. I feel like I sound sick. Hi, can I get a grande ice green matcha tea latte? Green tea latte. I get it with soy and vanilla sweet cream on top too.
The foam?
Yes.
Alright.
And that'll be all. And can you make that with light ice? Do you have any cheese Danish?
Cheese Danish? Yes, I do.
Yeah, can I get one of those warmed?
Of course. Anything else for you?
That'll be all.
$9.95. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't know what's up with my lighting, but it's looking kind of crusty. But yeah, y'all, I sound sick. Like, what the hell? Oh, is this person done? Damn, like, this shit is serious. Like, oh my gosh, it's already time for me to pay. Like, sheesh. I need to put on a mask, but I literally don't have any time to do that. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing.
Wow, it was $9.95?
Okay. Damn, this happened so fast. What the hell was I saying? Oh, yeah. Let's try it. Let's try her. That's just so fucking good. I never got cold foam on top of it. Oh, that's good. Y'all need to get it like that. Try that. All right, y'all heard how I ordered it, but you need to try it for real. And can I go? Like I'm go. Ooh, these are actually really cute. Don't need plants. I don't need them though. Like they're cute. This plant is cute. Why are you so bright? Like for what? Oh my gosh, y'all. My freaking camera is dying. Where is the glue though? I don't see any glue. Like I only see it sold like this. So yeah, I don't think that they have any nail glue. At this point, I don't see anything, so I'm assuming they just don't have it. Oh, they do. Right in my face. All right. But they have this one. This is a Kiss. I also need some shampoo. I never see fucking shampoo and conditioner in the brands that I want. Like they're always sold out. I got diamonds doing slides in both. Nice woman on the Las Vegas tonight. That my justified. Fucking not, I keep the quality in my shorty. Alright, y'all, so my camera died at Target, so I couldn't film no more. But this is the only thing that I got from Target, which is what I told y'all I was going there for. The some nail glue, but this is by Kiss. It's their Max Speed Nail Glue. But I'm going to put on these clip-on nails. I got these clip-on nails from Amazon. I was thinking if I wanted to cut them or leave them long. But I'll leave them long first. And if I decide to cut them, then I'll cut them. But yeah. And Daimi came. She's here.
Hi guys.
She's just editing right now. We both about to be editing. I'm about to start hookah. We're about to do hookah and edit. We on right now, but yeah, I'm about to put these nails on. I'm gonna show y'all. This is a clip-on nails. I'm telling y'all, they come in clutch. I just don't really feel like committing to the acrylics right now. Maybe for my birthday I will, which is in less than a month. I probably still won't, honestly, but
all you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money in the day. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Taste. All night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on the run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, the same way. You know I'll be down if this.
In my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She got a choice. Keep it coming, you know. Just that roll myself a
yeah, this is how my nails came out. My camera died again, so it's fully charged now. But this is how my nails came out. They so cute. I'm not gonna cut them because I'll wear them long for now, and then I'm gonna cut them if I get tired. Ooh, hold on. If I get tired of the long nails, then I'm gonna definitely cut them. But for right now, we're keeping the nails. But we just been editing videos. I start editing this vlog too. But now we're about to go get some food. She want to get some rice. Some fried rice. I'm not too hungry. But
What you get?
yeah, I'll probably get some rice. Oh my gosh, look at my lash. My lash is getting irritated, so I had to take it off. But I need to fix my lash. I need to fix my lash before we go. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want my eye to turn red again. So yeah, we on our way to Starbucks. No, you can't turn it.
Turning left though. Before you start vlogging, you see me turning left.
I thought you was about to bust a U-turn.
I
Bust
always
up.
felt like you wasn't good at that, right?
Bust a bitch. Bust. I said bust a U-turn. I mean, like, why turn? Just turn right. Yeah. Just turn right. Okay.
I know.
All right. Shit, don't ask me shit.
Oh.
Nah, but we at Starbucks. My second trip to Starbucks today. I don't even. Yeah. This was not my idea.
It was definitely your idea.
Grande iced green tea latte
Can I get an iced green tea latte?
with soy and vanilla. What?
I said venti.
What, the water?
Yeah.
You should have said venti water. Can I get a venti water?
No, that's what I said. They be being like, how the fuck y'all being cheap on water?
No, they don't. Just say,
No, sometimes they like
when
you just say, "Can I get a cup of water?" They give you the smallest size.
okay. That's because that's why I never say cup of water. I just say, can I get a venti water? Usually when I say, can I get a water, they be like, what size?
Yeah, he didn't say it, so he threw me off.
I just love my nails, honestly. Like, damn. I just feel like I'm back. Like, I don't know. Like, these nails just bring out something. They bring out someone. Ooh, I don't even have a face mask.
Water is gonna take. That's what I said. Because by the time we get there, then it'll be ready.
I don't think I want anything
From where?
from my watching plate.
Oh wow.
I'm really not hungry right now. I don't feel like I'm gonna eat it. Y'all, when I got home, tell me why my period came. My period came, y'all. Like, it literally explains. Like, it explains everything. Why I was tired. Why I was feeling emotional. Like, I really thought I was just having a day. Like, I don't know what I thought. But I wasn't expecting to get home. And then my period. And I ended up just going to sleep, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I went to sleep. And that was that. Got up. Feeling energized, a little better. So what I'm doing right now is I'm about to organize my clothes. Not organize my clothes, they're already organized. I'm about to get rid of more clothes. For some reason, y'all, I just got the urge to just throw everything away and just start all over. But I'm not gonna do that because I just bought clothes. But aside from those clothes, I want to just throw everything away. I don't want to say throw away because I never throw them away like in the trash can. I just donate them. I'm going to go through this. We got some wine, okay? Because your girl, yeah, we need it. We need something, all right? Yeah, I think maybe because my birthday coming up and I just want to change up my style. I don't know. I really don't, but I do. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a problem with throwing stuff away too. Like, I literally feel like I can't throw stuff away. Like, what's wrong with me? I really be feeling like that. Like, girl, just throw it away. But I just be feeling like, damn, I know I'm going to need that peace. I know I'm going to need that peace.
Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get around. Doing nothing. Moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know, so live. Tell me when to go.
Did I scare y'all? Anyways, it's the end of the... Let me turn this... Hold on, let me turn this on. Here we go. That noise. I hope y'all can hear it. But it's the end of the night. I'm just letting this face mask sit. I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll be off to bed. I got rid of so many clothes, y'all. And the funny thing about it is that I literally just went through my clothes like earlier this week. Anyways, that is the end of my night. I hope y'all enjoyed the day with me. It's just, it's crazy how you go sense your period coming before it comes. Because I'm telling y'all, I woke up so emotional and everything. I was telling y'all, but so emotional and everything. I really thought I was tripping. And just tired too. Super tired. And I just didn't know why. And boom, period come. I do have the tracker, but I just wasn't paying attention to it. But yeah. It is what it is. On this my monthly, I don't be sleepy tired. My body just be tired. Does anybody else get like that? Like you're not sleepy, but your body is just tired. Like you just feel drained and lazy. Because that's me. And that's me. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Good night, love. Oh yeah, and I need a new intro and outro. So my next couple of videos and this video won't have an intro or outro. I might need a banner too. Yeah. I need a lot. But anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay. Okay. You have a good night. All right. Good night. We out there, bitch.